All Bobby 2 Pops breaks. It is Saturday, August the 21st, and we're breaking bomb box slabbed comics. We randomed up the 8 remaining box numbers in our case. Number 7 was what we got. We did random months on the right there. We've already randomized months. Customers alphabetized. Everybody gave y'all a chance to trade. Man. Nobody ever trades comics though, so here we go. Best of luck to you all. Bam! Well, that is going to be a Black Lightning. It's got a little tape glue on there. I'll get that off there, guys. That's just tape glue there. I'll get that off with some acetone after this. Going to be a Black Lightning April, guys. Black Lightning number 1, April. Again, origin and first appearance of Black Lightning, Jefferson Pierce, first appearance of Peter Gamby and Tobias Whale. It is a 9-4, folks. Not a monster book, gonna say in the 140 range or so, probably about there. So it'll be one of the lower books in the case, knocked out there, guys, but still a very desirable book at this time. All right, Black Lightning number 1. About $150 book, guys, so not too bad. Like I said, I'm showing $150 on Go there. You know, and a lot, like I said, guys, when you see these things selling groups or on eBay, most times it's way over these prices. So, but that is a $150 book in the 9-4 for April. Who has April? Jesus, Steve, man. Golf, everybody else there. I'm sorry, Steve suddenly started dominating these dang comics this last little series here, man. I think that's like his 4th hit out of our first couple of cases there, man. Dominating this sucker. Not a monster hit for you, Steve, but a decent one. Again, Golf, Bane, everybody there. I am so sorry, Pat. Alright, so that is a Steve S this time. Alright. Steve S is going to win that Breakers.TV, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pops breaks.